Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Serrano. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the Z Fold 3 because the time is now to actually pick up a Z Fold device from Samsung, especially because of the price. But if you're brand new, I truly appreciate you for coming through, but make sure you stay locked in. And if you're already a part of the crew, salute. Now, if you were anything like me, when it came to picking up a Z Fold device from Samsung, you were probably holding off for a little bit of time because you saw that the price when they first launched from now is extremely reduced because the Z Fold 4 has been out for a little bit of time, and so it's easier to pick up a Z Fold 3. When it comes to the overall price, it's a lot more affordable. But right now is the time to pick up a Z Fold 3 if you were holding out for the last year or so and you were looking at the Z Fold original, the Z Fold 2, and now the Z Fold 3 and 4. But I honestly think that the Z Fold 3 is going to give you the best value when it comes to the money. Now, I'll make sure I leave the cheapest links down below where you could pick up the Z Fold 3, but I was holding out for a long time when it came to picking up this device because I wasn't convinced that I needed a phone that can hold the same form factor as a tablet, but then fold into a candy bar style design as well and still give you functionality overall and give you a really good experience that you didn't even know you needed. Because the Z Fold 3 is going to give you extremely good hardware when it comes to the overall build quality and performance. And I was especially impressed with the battery because I was able to get a full day no matter what I was doing. And so I was able to basically power through anything that I really wanted to get through. And basically using the Z Fold 3 actually feels like you're holding a mini computer when it comes to the power, the functionality, and the overall features. And the Z Fold 3 gives you the ability to use your smartphone as a tablet when you open it up and you get the 6.9-inch display, as well as a foldable design that gives you a 6.2 display with a really good high refresh rate when you're using it for scrolling through social media. And this device is going to come in handy when it comes down to doing business because when folded out, you get a huge display to look at, especially if you're the type of person who needs to see a lot when you're using a device and you want to just see more on the overall display. And so the Z Fold 3 still packs really impressive hardware, especially when it comes to the build quality, because you're getting a device that can give you wireless charging. It also does have IPX8 glass materials, a really beautiful punch hole in the front, HDR10 capability, as well as Gorilla Glass Victus and S Pen support on the inner display. And so the rollout for the newest security software patch that is available with a lot of different variants from carriers, locked versions, and even unlocked versions, you're going to be able to get this month's security software patches that will patch more than 50 vulnerabilities. 7 of those will be Galaxy specific, eliminating vulnerabilities from insecure folder, the phone, the contacts, the fingerprint sensor, system apps, services, and the overall components. So the software and the patch of this device is going to be up to date, and you're going to get future updates when it comes to using the Z Fold 3. And so when it comes to the overall package, Samsung has managed to cram every single feature that you could possibly imagine in a smartphone that offers a unique experience, differentiating it from other devices. And Samsung has been the best when it comes to the overall foldable phones. And I did a survey on Twitter where I asked which was the best foldable, ones from Vivo, Huawei, and even comparing them to some of the new Oppo foldable devices, Samsung has managed to make one of the most attractive foldable devices because of the software, the hardware, and the overall performance, as well as the unique design. But if it was the time to get a foldable device, I would say the time is now, because the price is extremely low and these devices hold a high value in the smartphone market. But make sure you guys stay locked in for more videos, and I want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people. But watch the video on the left hand or the right hand corner, follow me on social media, and I'll get right back with you. Okay? Peace.